what's up? Doing some paddle boarding after work on Lake Martha in Winter Haven, just behind the hospital. Let's check it out. We'll try. See how that works. I got it. Here we go. Let's look at where we're going. Almost there. Alright, made it to the other side. Trying not to fall off. So yeah, there's all the trees. I'm hoping there's some fish. Just got the paddle board. Check it out. $1.50 on Marketplace. I started on that side. Let me see if I can catch something. These little lakes are crystal clear. If I'm not mistaken, I think they're all connected to the aquifer down below. This one doesn't have any boat ramp access, so I think there's a few people with some little John boats around here, but you can see that water's crystal clear. Shit. We good. Haven't caught anything yet. I'm hoping the sun needs to go down a little bit. But yeah, check it out. Beautiful. Lake Martha, Winter Haven. All right, let's see if we can find a good spot. Found a fence line. I'm gonna try to cast on these fools. I don't know, I see a bunch of beds. No action, but I have seen fish in here. What they say, further tests required. Alright, I just passed a little gar. I'm gonna try to at least get a video of it. So today's not a complete failure. Just kidding. Should go fishy. I rode right past him, probably scared him off. Classic Jason. Alright, so a wise man once told me fish don't really bite, at least freshwater, after a cold snap, which we kind of had one today. I think his name was Mr. Ryan Bronson. So we're just gonna cast out there randomly, fire from the hip, see if we catch anything. See if I can make this work. Finger coordination. All right, I did it. Win or lose, we're out here. Don't hate. Go. Ooh, that was a nice one. I've actually never seen any gators out here. I don't know if the city takes care of them, but I might see a baby every once in a while on these small lakes that aren't connected to the chain of lakes. I think there's like 13 lakes on the Winter Haven chain of lakes. They're pretty cool, though. The big ones get murky because of all the boats, but these little ones, they stay crystal clear. It's nice, real nice. Got it at Target. I don't know, I'm gonna have to do some research, because if you get out here about, I don't know, 70 feet, it gets deep. Real deep. There's gotta be some big catfish, I hope. I gotta try. Haven't tried catfish yet. Pick me up some gizzards. You know. Alright. Should be about feeding time. I think it's like almost 6, quarter till 6. Nothing yet. The other night we were chilling on the dock. We did see a good sized bass. I'm gonna say a 3-4 pounder, just chilling. But it was warm. It was like one of the days it was 85. Trying. Probably start heading back after this. I think dinner needs to happen. Let's do it. For such a beautiful spot, man, they let these what could be nice houses go to crap. I don't know if I lived on the lake, I'd be, well, I'd take a little more pride in my domain. But yeah, so here's our dock. We made it back. I live on the other side of the park. Just a quick walk down. Rock and roll fishy time. See some structures underwater here. Let's check it out. See if I can paddle and record at the same time. Oh, look at that, kind of. It's a big ass pipe going to nothing. Yes, water's crystal clear. You can see years and years. I think there's probably beer cans from probably the 60s and 70s prior to that. It's beautiful. It's real nice. Hear my dog's barking. There's the park. Didn't catch much today. I'll blame it on the cold snap, and yeah, we'll call it a day. Until next time, see ya.